Kev G with a weather overview. How you doing out there, everybody? Well, we have a soggy forecast for the next 4 or 5 days. I think we'll get some brief breaks, and those will be few and far between. I think tomorrow is a time where we can have some breaks in the rain, maybe some peaks of sun. But overall, it's kind of a murky weather pattern over the next 4 or 5 days. We have a stationary front that's not going to really go anywhere anytime soon. I think as far as the weekend goes, your best weather day is probably Sunday, where the rain coverage will be less. It won't be non-existent, but it'll be less. So today was a day where I thought we would get a break, and we did not. And you can see that on the Intellicast radar, where we just have like a conveyor belt of rain that is just moving over the area. Light to moderate rain. This will continue for the next 12 to 18 hours. I think we'll pick up another ½ inch to an inch of rain. There are some heavier elements of rain that are over the mid-Atlantic states, and I think they can sneak in tonight at some point. So I wouldn't be surprised if you get some downpours to go along with this light to moderate rain at times. So here we are with the current radar. This is what the NAM has as far as the overall radar is concerned, at least where it thinks it's raining, and it's doing a pretty decent job. So the general theme over the next 12 to 18 hours is rain, heavy at times. You can see these like areas of yellow and green, darker green, and they make their way only so far north before they get kicked out. So keep an eye on that as far as the radar is concerned if you're watching at home. Now, as we get into tomorrow morning for wake-up weather, it'll be raining with areas of fog. But as we go through the day, I think we will get some sort of a break because high pressure is going to push down ever so slightly, and that'll push the front temporarily to the south and keep it over the middle Atlantic states, namely southern New Jersey, Maryland, and Delaware. But that'll be short-lived. This high pressure is just not strong enough to keep this front moseying on its merry way. And this is the front that led to the severe weather yesterday across the entire tri-state area with some fatalities, unfortunately. So as we go into Friday, this high pressure that is asserting itself and pushing down, it will start to relinquish its grip. And so that means that the front, which is menacing us today and menaced us yesterday, it's going to come back north as a warm front. And so as we go through the day on Friday, expect rain to redevelop and become heavy at times. And this will last through a good portion of Friday night and into Saturday. So I think Saturday is a really kind of a wet day with periods of rain, heavy at times. And I think that the rain has a decent chance of lasting into at least the first part of Saturday night, if not the whole night. And then by Sunday, we start to get some letting up of the rain as the front pushes offshore once again. But there can be some showers around as the air mass is still a little bit unstable. And more rain then seems to work in for Monday night into Tuesday. But as we go through the forecast period, the rain becomes less and less of a factor as the weather pattern changes around. So I think the problem areas, as far as rainfall is concerned, if we go back to the radar, the biggest problem areas for rain over the next 4 or 5 days will be tonight through tomorrow afternoon. Then expect a little bit of a respite, and then Friday night into Saturday night with less rain coverage on Sunday.